This air fryer makes crispy food without all the deep frying. If you're looking for that perfect crunch without using a ton of oil, you need to see this. This is the Ninja AF101, a compact 4-quart air fryer that completely changes the game. It uses hot air to cook your food, giving you that delicious crispy texture with very little to no oil. It heats up super fast and is perfect for making things like French fries, crispy chicken wings, roasted vegetables. And it's even amazing for reheating leftovers like pizza. No more soggy microwave pizza. The controls are incredibly simple and easy to use. Just set your temperature and time and you're good to go. It's one of the best parts. It's so easy to clean. The basket has a non-stick coating and is completely dishwasher safe. You want to cook faster and make healthier meals? This is a fantastic upgrade for your kitchen. Take a look at it through the link in the description and see if it's the right fit for you. Thanks for watching.